Voros is a YA author from Victoria in Canada. Her new novel, The Centre of the Universe, is published by Kids Can Press and came out this month on April 2nd. The novel follows 17-year-old Grace, who is an aspiring astrophysicist and spends her free time searching for exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our sun. Grace feels that she is nothing like her mum, the glamorous news anchor, Gigi Carter. But then Gigi goes missing, and Grace and her family are cast into the perpetual waiting room, a place where you can only try to guess what might have happened, and hope for news that has no guarantee of ever arriving. During the story, Grace meets Elizabeth Tasker, an astrophysicist whose research is on the formation of planets and exoplanets. Elizabeth is also a real person who genuinely does work on exoplanets, and who Ria reached out to when she wanted Grace to meet a researcher. Elizabeth has her own book, a popular science book called The Planet Factory, which is published by Bloomsbury and also out this month in paperback. The Planet Factory looks at how planets are formed and some of the strangest worlds we have discovered so far, before asking if any of these could be habitable. Ria and Elizabeth are talking about their collaboration and their two books, The Centre of the Universe and The Planet Factory, in talks in the Toronto and Vancouver area this month. Are we coming near you? If so, we'd love to see you there. For up-to-date event information, or just more on Ria and Elizabeth, please see their web pages and Twitter feeds.